Okay, I gotta restart. Oh my. Hey Mo, what's up, Mo? Good to see you. How's it going? How is it going? Just have to restart it real quick. Come on. Don't be weird. Come on, Ninja Trader, just let me start it. I'm good myself. I can show you real quick. I requested a payout here on this account. I think I'm gonna get denied because I'm pretty sure I broke a rule. But the good part is we just have to get 8 more clean days in and then we should be approved. So that's good. Man, I was cursed the last 2 months. No payout. Okay, come on. Can we start my Ninja Trader, please? Hello? Yeah, I have my interview appointment on Thursday in 2 days. Hope you don't get. I'm pretty sure I get denied. I'm pretty sure I broke the rule, but you know, whatever. Pretty sure they will deny me. But yeah, just means we need to get 8 more days in, and then we should be approved. Okay, let's hope it works now. They will ask you what color toothbrush your partner uses. Well, it's hard to tell because right now we can't be together anymore. I mean, we were with each other for the last 6 months, but now she had to fly home to the US. So. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it will go smooth. Pretty sure it will work out pretty decent. I mean, I'm prepared. I have all the documents. I have any type of evidence that they need. So we're good to go. Just hope they're gonna be fast enough. Like I said, because my flight is on the 11th, and now it's gonna be 4th of July, so they won't work. Plus Saturday, Sunday, of course they're not working. So I just hope they give me my passport back until the Friday. I mean, actually by Thursday I would need it because my flight is like early in the morning. Gets your blood pumping. Well, don't worry. Just looking at futures, that's enough for me. Just trading with Apex gets your blood pumping more than you want. Yeah, I'm not really a big Forex guy. Not a big Forex guy. I mean, everyone is different, right? Okay, so let's make sure we set up everything. Yeah, Mo, are you in a trade now again? Or are you just gotta wait? I mean, your last trade worked out pretty good, huh? A little over 4,000 points. That's nice. Okay, let's make sure everything is set up right now. I mean, worst case, like I said, if we get denied on a payout here, I mean, at least we can build up the account. So this is what I'm looking forward to. I mean, I always said that I just need one account where I'm able to take out money every 8 days. And with the way I trade on the open, I should be able to do that. But by the way, Forex and futures is more safe to trade. I mean, depends on your style, I guess. and what your strategy is. I think there's no better or worse. It just, some people are different. It might work for you, it might not work for me. You put me on trading bot. That's true. That's true. That is absolutely right. But yeah, also on these two accounts, they're smooth. Like I didn't break any rules, so we can still get a payout here. I mean, on this one, I was more aggressive. On the first day, I made 1400. I just wanted to push it. So yeah, it is what it is. If we get the night, we get the night. Whatever. I'm not gonna let them stress me out. All right, I think we're good to go here. Yeah, let me know if the Nightbot still spams a lot, because I was looking into it and I thought I changed it. So in case this is still spammy, just let me know. I want to spam the chat with this. Hey Richard, how are you? Good to see you. Make sure all the chats are open. But yeah, me and Mo, if you take like 4,000 point trades, then you don't need many setups a year, I guess, to make some good money with it. I think you're good to go. Well, this Nightbot is still spamming. Could we please stop that? All right, let me just get something to drink, something else to drink. And I will be back in just a second, and then we're gonna trade the open. And we're gonna have news. Oh, the Feds are gonna speak right on the open. Of course, Powell has to speak. Always this guy. Today is a sell. I have no idea what we're gonna see. So we have Powell speaking. He's of course has to talk about something again. And then we have PMI at 10 a.m. So yeah, this motherfucker. Why does he always need to yap about everything? My God. Every other day he's talking. Can you zoom out? I mean, if you want to see the full screen, just click on the link. It's easier to see. I mean, if you're watching in the YouTube short stream, it's hard to tell. I can't really zoom out that much for you. But all right. Yeah, I don't get it. I don't like this Powell guy. Always has something to say. I don't know. Okay, how we're set up here. Yeah, we should be good. I mean, we're gonna start with this account again. I have to get 8 days in. So I requested the payout yesterday now, so we can start the cycle today. And yeah, just need 8 days here. Well, perfect. I wanted to try something different that doesn't taste like energy drink, that has like a different flavor, but this just tastes like Red Bull. It's exactly what I didn't want. All right. All right. 1 minute to go. Like I said, Powell is going to speak. So I have no idea what the market is going to do. It could be super volatile. And then we have news in 30 minutes as well. And yeah, but good luck if you're trading today. Good luck. How long is he going to speak? Do we know that? Wish we could know that. All right, 15 seconds to go. Also, that is half a liter. It probably is way too much caffeine. Yeah, it's like 150 milligrams. I think that's a little bit too much, right? Alrighty, we're open. The thing that I'm looking at right now is the RTY. Maybe we get a short here. Oh, well, never mind. Okay, switch to the ES. Okay, let me show you that real quick. We're in on the YM here. On a long, let's see. Probably shouldn't aim for too much. I mean, I just need to get a day in. I think if we made like 170, we should be fine. No flipping here. Oh, come on, just go. Okay. All right, we're out here. Let's switch to the next account. And it's always so stressful to do it in time. Okay. Looking at the ES, might take also long here on the 2 minute. Let's see if we can. Looking for 2 points. See if we can get it. Okay, first reaction was good. Would be nice to also get a win here to push the account closer to a payout. Still holding. I mean, usually if you take these scalps, you just want it to work right away. So the longer it takes, the less likely it gets to work. We shall see. Might actually move this a little bit higher. Let's move it a little bit higher. And then Q's pulling back. You trade news. Oh yeah, Jesus, I even forgot it. I mean, we just talked about it. Well, it is what it is. Well, let's hope Powell says something good here. Yeah, if we're still in with the next candle forming, I'm gonna move my stop. Might have to do it right now already. Move it. Yeah, I mean, if someone's speaking, sometimes it takes a while until we react. If it's just data coming out, usually it's faster. But yeah, I think we're gonna get stopped here. But don't want to give it too much room. How much are you risking? Right now it's like 2 points and 3 ticks. So it's like 280, 270 or something. But I mean, we're on prop terms, so the world is really different here. Looks like we're gonna get stopped here. If it doesn't go now. I mean, it just has to bounce right now. All right, we're stopped there. Yeah, it's 275, and then there's also a little bit fees of commission and commission. So it is what it is. Just hope we don't get ticked out and then it goes higher. That would be annoying. Oh, I got a super bad fill on this account. Let me show you. Ooh. Oh, damn. Sorry, guys. I was too slow. Oh, no. And I really need a stream deck, like I said. I mean, I took a long here. I had a really bad entry, actually. But yeah, right. Make it 300 total. No, the commissions are not that high. I mean, I just used 2 contracts. Okay. All right, we're done with 2 accounts. Now we're just going to try to get the other one back to green. Sorry, guys, if it's a little bit chaotic here. It's always hard to change all the accounts, then change the scene for you that you can see it. So forgive me. Okay, we're going to take another long here. You long as well? You trade NQ or what are you trading right now? Yeah, we're on RTY, in case you guys wonder. Let's see if we can recover a little bit. And we got a couple of ticks of profit. But yeah, if we get stopped here, I will take one more trade with this on NQ. And if there's something, we will take it. No, this is RTY. RTY. I think we're gonna get stopped here. But this is why you have multiple accounts. Yeah, I'm trading 1 minute. Like on screen, you see 1 minute. Hi, Trooper, how are you? Okay, ES is pushing and Q is pushing. Okay, we survived like the first little pullback. That's nice. If we get a bit into profit, I might start moving it a little bit closer. My stop. But we just have to go. But yeah, on screen you just see the 1 minute chart, but I look at other time frames. When you're trading, it's RTY right now. After this, we're gonna switch over to NQ again. Yeah, not really going into profit, so we're just gonna leave the stop here now. Hey world, how are you? But again, we're trading with news right now, like Powell is speaking, so we could see a lot of volatility. Which coin? It's not a coin. We're not trading crypto here. It's not crypto. It's futures. Okay, I think we're gonna get stopped here. Trade Bitcoin. Well, I never really tried it. Not a crypto guy. Okay, we're stopped here. So we're down like 500 on it. I will give it one more shot. And if we have a loss, I'm gonna call it. But yeah, at least the other accounts made a little bit of progress. That's always important. Let me make sure I switch to 55. He's English. How can you speak English? What you mean? I mean, I'm not English. Not English. Okay, let's switch over to NQ. Trade in Bitcoin. Well, you can trade Bitcoin. I do not trade Bitcoin. I'm not a crypto guy. It's gonna break that high. Yeah, if it does, I will take it long. That's what I'm waiting for. Well, it looks like we got stepped out on it on the RTY, and now it might work. Can you show 1 day chart for a second? Of course. Here. There you go. That's how it looks like. But yeah, I'm not trading these high time frames. I'm just looking for 1 minute here. The previous chart. Oh yeah, this is the like I said, the RTY. I mean, my stop was here, so unfortunately we got stopped. That's what it is. How do you know it's going to break the high? Well, no one really knows, right? I wish we could predict the future. I wish we could tell it's going to do it. We just have to wait. I mean, NQ selling off. Yeah, I mean, if we have a good close here, I would take a short. But Jesus, oh my god, I did a big mistake. I'm on the wrong strategy. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Oh, yesterday I traded 2 contracts with like a really small target. I didn't want to do that, but all right. That's not what we wanted to do. We'll go down first through buyer. Yeah, we're done with the other futures for now. We're just going to look at the NQ. So this is NQ. Oh, sorry, buddy. I just missed you. What platform is this? It's Ninja Trader. Ninja Trader 8. Do you remember? Well, I do not look at any indicators. The stuff that I on is just moving averages. That's pretty much it. I don't really look for indicators. I'm just looking at the price and momentum. It's a hunt. Well, can't hunt me if I'm not in it, right? Yeah, damn. I didn't want to go short with 2 contracts. I wanted just 1 contract and a bigger target. Now you can short it. Well, now I gotta wait. I mean, we also have news. Like someone is speaking right now. Powell is speaking. So we just gotta wait a little bit for that. And then at 10, so in 15 minutes, we have PMI coming out. So yeah, we might just wait a little bit to let it cool down. Short as long as you can. I don't know. Can you show me the 50-minute chart? Of course. If you guys want to see the full screen, like the whole view of my monitor that I show on stream, just click on the link in the pinned message. There you will see it. But this is the 15-minute chart. That's what we're looking at right now. I mean, I would look for long once we break this area here. But again, we're having news right now, so I advise you to be careful. Also, never copy anything that I do on stream. I'm still learning myself. Do not try to copy. Well, I'm glad I got out here, at least with a little bit of profit. It's in downtrend. Yeah, on 15 minutes it looks like. That's why I said I wouldn't take a long until we break this area here. This is kind of what I'm looking for. But yeah, on the trade we took before, unfortunately we got stopped out and now it's about to work out. But this is what it is. So just going back for a second, if you guys just joined. We had a long somewhere here, and then unfortunately we got stopped with this candle, and now still going. It's supply zone shorted. Yeah, like I said, we're just gonna wait a little bit. I don't really like trading in the news. Once it breaks the top, then we go. Well, we just gotta wait. Part of it is just being patient and waiting. If you want to say like, where would you stop loss? I always put it on to the low of my candle that I enter on if I take a long. But if I take a short, I put it on top. So like here, this was our short entry. I put my stop on top of this. And if we go long, let's say this is my long entry, I would put my stop down here. And then if the trade doesn't work out right away or we don't get stopped out right away, I always move it a little bit closer. Because the way I trade with scalping and small targets, usually it has to work out pretty fast. Because we're just catching some momentum. All right, breaking this high for a split second here. Yeah, guys, watch out. We're still trading with news. All right. I told you. Well, I hope you took it. Hope you were able to take it. What is your net worth? $15 right now. I'm broke. No, I have no idea. Unfortunately, not too much. I mean, I'm up with prop firms, with trading prop firms. I'm up like 33,000. But since December last year, it's going horrible. Doing pretty bad. So we're just trying to recover here. But yeah, yesterday we requested a payout on this account and we're under review, so we will see. I took it. Nice. Nice. What is that? No, I never went to university. Never did that. Once it's red, I will short it, alright? I don't know if I would short it still. Still going higher. Well, I hope you guys took it. Hope you guys all. Andrew Tate scam shit. Oh, okay. No, I never joined something like this. I mean, we're not here to sell anything. This is just showing my journey. Still a lot to learn. Like I said, last year was great. Last year was going pretty smooth, but since December last year, I'm not doing too well. So just trying to get back on track. Yeah, I would never buy a course. I always say it. Don't buy a course. The courses are all scam. Most of the people that sell your courses, they make the most money with the courses and not trading. Okay, I mean, if we have a good close here, I'm just pulling back in the last second. I was thinking about taking that along. Stop calling someone scam. Well, it's just my opinion. Most courses that people try to sell do not work. Regarding trading, I don't know any other fields. There might be some people that sell real courses, like legit courses, but most of them in the trading world, unfortunately, are scam. They just try to lure you in with a lot of money coming in and all their rented cars and stuff like that. Well, good that we didn't take along. Damn it. Yeah, we got stopped out on the RTY and now it just still goes higher. That is annoying. Down we go. Pretty volatile. Yeah, we have news coming out in 7 minutes again, so I think we just gotta wait right now. But I appreciate you guys joining me. Courses are just a waste of time money. I agree. Most of them. I mean, there could be some people that are actually honest about it, but I would say 95%, especially in trading, They're just trying to sell you like a fancy course, they're selling you dreams. That's the issue. They're showing you fancy cars and stuff like that, and just trying to lure you into it. That's why I say never buy a course. I would never buy a course. Just enter. No. Not gonna gamble on news. I mean, the next level I would look at somewhere here. Selling is easier than trading, 100%. 100%. I think there's just not enough honest people on the planet. That's the issue. So, and it's so easy to sell dreams, you know? It's just, I don't know. It's really repetitive on YouTube. They all have like the same titles, the same way they lure people into it. So I think it's pretty weird. I don't know. Oh, Yash, what's up? What's up? Good to see you. Wow, you 2-digit watching here? Oh, I have no idea. I don't check the view count. But yeah, I mean, that's nice. You're from which country? Germany. Good that we didn't take the long. Yeah, Mo, I never had this before. I'm up 5,000 on a funded account with Apex. Never had this in my whole life with trading Apex. Hey, Gory, how are you? I mean, I had it a couple of times. I was up like 3,000, 3,500, and then somehow I always managed to blow up the account. Okay, we got 4 minutes. How close are you to payout? I requested it yesterday night, but I'm under review. Pretty sure I'm gonna get denied. That's why I started the next 8-day cycle today. So now we just need 7 more days, or I can also flip 2 days. So we just have to trade 5 more days and then just flip 2. If we get denied, I don't know. Hi, how are you, Ishmaya? I don't know how to say your name, buddy. You're from India. That's nice. You will miss that short. Well, you can take it. You won't take it. Not gonna take it. But yeah, how is it going? Did you get any closer to get the accounts funded? I think I'm still under review. Congratulations. Yeah, my God, thank you. Finally. Took forever. Almost 2 months without a payout. Before I had a payout every month for over a year. So let's see. Yep, still on the review. Let me show you. Can you see it? Here, this one that I requested yesterday, and it still says under review. So we will see how long it takes. Okay, we got 1.5 minutes. I mean, like I said, worst case, if we get denied, we just build the account even more. And then hopefully it's almost impossible to lose it at one point. But I mean, today was day number 1, so we have 3. So by next Friday, I can request again. What's your risk to reward? Oh, I don't really use that risk to reward. I mean, I'm looking for a scalping. Usually I have a negative risk to reward. And my win rate? I don't know the numbers, but it's pretty high. I mean, you look for a negative risk to reward, usually it's pretty high. But yeah, I mean, I'm using prop firms, so it's really different. We're not using my own money. I would trade differently with my own money. I've decided to treat this account with utmost discipline. Alright, nice. I mean, progress is progress. I mean, I told you, you're holding this account for so long. So even if you're not blowing it up, it's still something good. You know, if you're still able to hold it for a long period of time, it's still a good sign. Alright, here are the news coming out. Pretty volatile. What do you guys think? We're gonna hold this area here? We're gonna stay in this range, or we're gonna start breaking out? Still holding. Hope we get one more setup and get this closer to being break even on the day. Still positive on the downside. I don't know if Powell is still speaking or he's done for the day. Oh, he's still speaking. Alright, still holding here. Just gotta wait for a breakout. Yeah, I don't know why the Nightbot is still spamming a lot. I already changed it. I don't know why it's still spamming like crazy. Let me try to change that again. Okay, getting some sellers in. News just came out. Yeah, there was the scandal here. And the Powell is still speaking. The Feds are still speaking. That's why we're just waiting right now. Better not to rush anything. Alright, I changed the Nightbot again, so let's hope. Just go for it. Well, this is not what we want to do. I mean, I'm working on my discipline, so this is not what I want to do right now. Just go for it. And yo, Swami, how are you? Well, I hope we're gonna win back. Sometimes it's just better to wait. Also, guys, I'm banned with Apex, so if I lose these accounts, there is no more Apex for me. No more new accounts. Okay. Chop, chop, chop. Yeah. See, well, I hope you took it, buddy. Banned? Oh yeah, Mo, they banned me. No more new accounts for me. I mean, they hit me with everything in the past. They put me onto probation. Last year, I had to submit videos of me trading with a camera set up behind me, filming myself plus my screens. Also, another view of like OBS where you can just see the screens with account numbers, executions, explaining why I'm taking the trade, where my stop loss is, everything. I had to submit like 3 videos of this. I had to do like a whole documentary. And then I submitted this for one payout and they didn't even look at it. I don't know. And now when I started these accounts, like 2 weeks ago, on the second day, they hit me up with, oh, you have to explain your whole strategy again, write everything down, your whole risk to reward, where's your stop loss, how do you trail it, every single thing. And then I had to do screenshots of every single trade that I took during 5 days. And then I submitted it and they just banned me the next day. So we can keep these accounts, and I still have 2 more accounts that I'm gonna renew. But I can't buy new ones. Why all of this shit? Well, it's Apex. I mean, don't trade with Apex. If you into prop firms, do not use Apex. I do not recommend them. They're horrible. There's way better prop firms right now, where you don't have to do all this shit. But yeah, now my payout that I requested yesterday is under review, so we're gonna see what they're gonna hit me up this time with. I would be surprised if they just approve me. They're unregulated, yeah. I mean, also, you have to be honest, no one ever reads through all the terms and conditions. I tried it once with Apex, and after, I don't know, like 5 pages, I just gave up. I was like, whatever. Do not care. Angelone, how are you? Good to see you. But yeah, I mean, there's just prop rooms where you know, like almost 100% you're gonna get paid out without any issues. I mean, there's my funded futures where you get literally approved and the money sent out in seconds. And then there's, excuse me, there's like Apex. So, but this is gonna be my last Apex run. I just want 1 or 2 more good payouts and then just call it. No more Apex for me. But yeah, honestly, trading your own money is the best. Probably the best. No bullshit rules, no denials. If you make the money, you just take it out the same minute. For everyone bragging about big Apex pair, maybe there's 1,000. Well, there's also guys that, there's also people that got banned as well. Like there's, what's his name? I don't know if you're on Twitter, Mo. There's a Brian guy, Brian Stonk or something. He got the same email that he's eval banned, and then like 10 minutes later, after he posted it on Twitter, he got another email that they said, oh, by the way, it was just a mistake. You're actually not banned. You're the wrong guy. So they're kind of focusing people with a lot of influence that they don't get banned. So they keep promoting it, which is pretty weird. I mean, I was defending Apex for a long time because it's the first prop firm I started with. I made my most money with Apex. So it kind of hurts what they turn into. Not too much different than casinos. They also ban you if you win too much, even though you take them. Well, I mean, it's their house, their rules, right? I mean, they also say it in the terms and conditions. There's like 1,000 reasons what they could deny you for, or could refuse your payout. So, I mean, you know what you're signing up to, but no one ever reads through it. So. But yeah, like I said, I just need 1 or 2 more Apex payout and I'm good to go. I will never go back. Never ever. Hey, you Nasus, how are you? See if we get a breakout here. I would take a short down here. But yeah, once I get this payout, I'm probably gonna put a little bit into my own live account as well. Hope you get some Apex payouts. Well, I'm up with Apex. Like, I'm up a lot with Apex. I mean, not a lot, but if you look at it, I think I'm up like, I don't know, 27,000 or something with Apex. Something around this. And probably even more. Yeah, should be even more. I mean, there's another thing. I haven't talked about this yet, but I used to have my affiliate code with Apex, and I know a lot of people used my code, and it never refreshed in my dashboard. And they even send me screenshots of them using my code. You know, not that it matters too much, but my dashboard never refreshed. And then I tried to check it again a day later, and they just removed me from their affiliate team. So they just took away my code plus also the affiliate commissions. And I'm 100% sure this was more than the threshold I needed to get a payout with the affiliate codes. I mean, it would have been maybe like $110 or something. It's not the world, but still pretty weird. And then they send me an email like, oh yeah, like basically your channel is not big enough. And then I checked like other people even have less subscribers and less viewers than me, and they still have their code. I'm like, huh, that's weird. But probably they just didn't like what I had to say about them. So. What the hell are you waiting for? Enter a trade. Well, what about you do it yourself? If you're so eager to trade. I mean, I said it before, we're waiting for a breakout. So, we're just waiting here. If you don't like it, you don't need to watch. It's that simple. But yeah, I mean, I was just saying my opinion about Apex, and yeah, like a couple days later, they just kicked me out on the affiliate site. But they gave me 2 free accounts. That's what they said. You're on Nvidia. Oh, I totally forgot about checking my stocks. How's Nvidia doing? Well, it's down a little bit today. Should have uploaded everything on X. Wow. I mean, I'm not a big guy for drama and all of that, you know? Like, I don't really care too much. Like I said, I don't really make that much money with affiliates. It's like a really, really small amount, but it's still, you know, I kind of advertise them for that. And then it's weird that they just take it away. You took trade? Yeah, we took a couple of days. It's going a little slow, but going down. Oh, you shorting it? Yeah, we took a couple of trades. I mean, we had one trade here, and we had 3 trades on this account. We had 2 losses and 1 win. So we read a little bit on this account. I would like to take one more setup on this account and get it closer to being break even on the day. You in? You on NQ? Or? But yeah, I don't know. I don't have time for all this drama stuff, posting it. You know, I don't really care too much. As long as I get my payout money from trading, I don't care. Just saying, it's super weird. Super weird. Were you long on NQ? Nice. Where was your entry? You just took it here or earlier? I mean, it's a pretty nice bounce here in this little range. Oh, that's good. There's a little spike. It's just still pretty volatile. You trailing your stop or you set a target? I just hit your first TP. Nice. Good job. They should be exposed. I mean, there's a lot of people who do it on Twitter. I mean, everyone knows what Apex does. And there's so many people getting banned lately. And my theory is, I don't know if that's true, they're just slowly getting rid of people over time until they finally shut down their services. That's what it feels like. So if they do it over time slowly, it never feels like they rug pulled anyone, and they probably won't get into legal trouble. That's what I think it is. Because there's always a waves of people getting this email and being banned. So that's what it feels like. Because the same day I got banned, I saw like, I don't know, like 10 other people just on Twitter getting the same email. Also in other Discords, everything. There's more resistance up here. Yeah, it just feels like they're slowly getting rid of people, and then at one point they're just gonna shut it down. But we don't know if it's true. I mean, it's also not really like a ban. They just say, oh, we consider you to trade our live account. Like, we provide you real money to trade that. But there's just no evidence of anyone ever being live with Apex. I don't know a single person. So they're just super weird. Funding accounts industry sucks sometimes. Well, at least we have like some prop firms that are pretty solid, that are in the game for a long time, and they always pay out. There's not a lot of drama and all of this, but then of course you have these issues with, I don't know, um, fast track trading, the rug pull, Apex bullshit. You know. Oh, they banned Jay. I mean, he was Wasn't that he was also on the, what is it, Top Step TV, no? And they still kicked him out. That's so weird. Well, maybe he didn't want to trade just with Top Step. Because I know, at least in the past, Top Step, if you want to be affiliated with them and stuff like that, I want you to trade only Top Step. So maybe he just denied that and then they kicked him out. I don't know. The moment you make money, they boot you. Well, there's still a lot of people. Like, I'm in a Discord with people, and there's people who took out like over 1 million, and they still not banned from prop firms. That's so weird. So what prop firm you recommend? I mean, if you trade with props, I like Bullnox. They're pretty solid. There's not that much drama. Videos is great. Tradeify is great. My Funded Futures is nice. What else? I mean, Top Step. I still think it's a good choice. Take Profit Trader is good. I mean, there's a couple good ones. Also needs to fit your style. But usually I wouldn't try new prop firms until they established for like at least a period of time. Or if this is a new prop firm, you just have to get in while there's still a lot of money flowing in and take out your payout and then just run. I was really looking for a long here, but good that we didn't take it. Probably the best thing to do is just to trade your own money. No rules, no restrictions. You do whatever you want. If you make money, just take it out. Straight back into this range. But yeah, once I get this payout from Apex, I'm also gonna get some My Funded Futures accounts again. They're great. I had a payout with My Funded Futures, and it took them 36 seconds from request to the money being in my bank account. It was the fastest I ever had. I mean, guys, look, this is the NQ. Look how messy this is today. Let's go to the 5-minute. This is NQ, 5-minute chart today. And now just compare that to what I always like to trade, the YM. Look how clean this is. My God, look at the difference. Isn't that insane? Just straight up, a little pullback, further up. Same with the RTY, pretty clean. If you compare it to ES, NQ, look at this. So different. Okay, here goes the NQ. Now we broke out here on the top, and now just like 8 red candles in a row, and all the way down there. You can tell someone is speaking. They show you. Hope we get one more little setup. I hope everyone else is green today. Remember, there's no trading on Friday. It's going to be 4th of July. I have a couple more minutes, but then I gotta go and get ready for work. Oh, guys, I just talked about it. I just got my denial from Apex. But unfortunately, after review, we are not able to approve the request at this time. The payout was denied for the following reasons: account investigations. Well, is that a coincidence that we just talked about them, huh? I swear they're probably here. Look at this. Oh my god, look at this. I got another email. They say I was hatching. I never hatched. Are you kidding me? Hey, go over there. Oh my god. Oh, wait, let me do a screenshot. It's easier to see. Are you kidding me? What do you mean hatching? Wait, I just need to change the title. You grow that account? Well, I just got the night and they resetted some of my profits. I just got the email. Wait. Wait, let me show you. This is interesting. Oh, we just talked about them. So maybe we pissed them off. Look at this. Okay. Let's have a look together. Let's read it together. So this is what they just sent me. Across your accounts on July 18th. June 18th. Ooh. Due to this breach of contract, payout requests have been denied. You know what's funny? I didn't even request from these accounts. I requested it from 56. I didn't even request from this account. So how do I get a night there? Hey Mammoth, how are you? Huh? I mean, that's super weird. So, yeah, I requested it from 56. Correlated instruments. Well, it is what it is. Hey SLY, how are you? So how do they? Yeah, I don't get it. No idea. I mean, they just deny me, but on a wrong account. I don't get it. Who did you learn trading from? Just basically myself. I did watch some YouTube videos, and then the rest came from myself. But now we missed even a short here. But yeah, they also said. Sorry, I missed your message there by the first time. They also said they resetted the P&L from this day, but I mean I still see it. So super weird. How's the blood pumping? Blood is pumping. Hmm. Yeah, that's interesting. June 18th. Let me check if I even made money on this day. I didn't even make money on this day, but okay. Well, that's super weird. But yeah, guys, there goes my Apex payout. If you guys were wondering. Well, at least they got back to me in a couple hours. That's good. But again, I requested on 56, and they were complaining about 55 and 54 that I was supposed to be hedging, what I didn't do. Yeah, but I think they did remove the yeah, they removed the P&L on these two accounts. I can tell. Well, it's super weird. I have no idea. The good thing is, at least they were set at the drawdown. Like the drawdown is back to 2,500, so that's not too bad. But let me try to restart it first. Hey Bilal, how are you? Sorry guys, we're not too focused on trading right now. We're just trying to figure out this payout issue. Let me see if I restart it. Yeah, what's up, Bilal? All right, let's see. Stock is that. Well, I don't trade stocks right now. I'm looking at the NQ. Which pair? It's NQ. Yo, wealth, how are you? Stop trading those. What if they deny next time too? Well, I already paid for the account, so I'm just gonna use them. It's just, I don't know, like I said, I requested the payout here on 56. This is where I requested payout. And then they said I was hedging on two other accounts, and they denied me because of account investigation. But they said the exact name where I supposed to did that. So once I'm done with the stream, I'm just gonna check and see if I even had trades open at the same time. I don't even think so. I did. But it is what it is. We'll see. The trend says stair step down from some. Yeah, I mean, I was looking at taking a short here, but I was just so focused on the email with the payout, I couldn't really focus. The Nonstop hatcher. That's how they call me now. Well, Mo, I don't know. Is it just not funny that we just talked about it and then literally like 5 minutes later, when we're done talking about them, I get the email of denial. I mean, it could be all a coincidence. Who knows? Looks like downside momentum. Yeah, I mean, this kind of like caught me off guard. I mean, I thought I'm gonna get denied for another rule, but that's weird. Yeah, Tim, I'm not trading stocks here right now. That's trading stocks. I mean, I would take another short. Yeah, I'm looking for a short. Just waiting for it to close. Well, it's just a big candle. Are we not blowing a candle today? Maybe we will. Maybe we will. I think I'm gonna take a short here if we have a good close. Okay, let's give it a try. I mean, we're just gonna look for scalps, especially now that we just got this at the night. All right, we're down like 85 on the day. We take it. I'm really sad you didn't take the short. I know. I hope you did it. But like I said, I just got caught here off guard with all this email drama. But yeah. You promised to sing the other day. Well, I said I'm gonna sing if I get the payout, but they denied me, buddy. So sorry, no singing today. Anyways, guys, I think I'm just done for today. I mean, super weird day. At least we made some progress on this account. So we need 7 more days, and we're just gonna have 7 more clean days, and then we at least request a payout again, and let's see if we get approved or not. Besides that, now it's super weird because they took away like $400 or $500 just like a couple minutes ago when they denied me. So yeah, this account was like at 1800 or something in profit. So I don't know. But anyways, I will be back tomorrow, 9:15 a.m. Eastern. Remember, Friday there's no trading. I'm just gonna sit down and have a look at all the trades that I took on June 18th and to see if I actually was in a position in 2 accounts at the same time. And we're gonna have a look. I don't think so, but yeah, we might see. All right, guys, appreciate you all. Remember to hit the like button on the way out and the subscribe button. I appreciate you all. And I see you all tomorrow again. Take care. Spend some time with your family. Appreciate you all. Stay green if you're green on the day. And I will let you guys tomorrow know what happened. All right, guys. Appreciate you. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.